Hello, friends, and my dear students. I think you have seen the earlier video which I have discussed about present tense. Now, it's time for past tense, and I'm going to explain about past tense. This is my humble request to see the video till end, and if you are getting my point by this video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Let us start with past tense. What is called past? Past means which were past, which has completed the work which is completed. That verb is called past tense. You know the kinds of past tense? How many kinds of past tense? Every tense have four subpart like present, past and next tense is future. So same thing is here. Simply first of all I will explain past indefinite tense. You know how will you recognize that this one is past tense? I have earlier explained that there is one important thing to recognition, and that is auxiliary verb. And with the help of auxiliary verb you can identify any kinds of tense. So the auxiliary verb past indefinite tense is did, but this one is some difficult because in simple sentence did is not used, only subject and verb second form plus object is used. If you have a command about verb, meaning you are knowing about verb which is the first form, second form, third form, then you can identify easily. Only this simple present is maybe some, not more, only some difficult to you, and this will not difficult if you are identifying the verb. So dear students, please prepare the verb forms. Now negative, when negative sentence comes, you find the auxiliary verb, and that is did. And with did you can identify this one is past indefinite tense. And according to rule you will apply subject did not verb, and when you will apply did not meaning auxiliary verb, you will apply the verb base form plus object. You know why I am writing here subject plus verb plus object, subject auxiliary? Because in class 10th it's come in jumble word and you have to rearrange according to rules and regulation. So not only 10 but 9, 8, 7, 6, in every place this one is important. And interrogative, you will apply auxiliary verb first of all, then subject, then verb base form, and then object. And when there will be question word, you will apply question word, did, subject, verb, and object. For example, you can see here Ram went to school. This is simple sentence, and looking here that verb is second form. But in negative, Ram did not go, meaning when you are applying did not, did this auxiliary verb, then you are looking verb come in his base form. And when it will be interrogative, then did Ram go to school? Don't forget to keep mark of question. And you know students, there are some strong verbs like read. Read is same, first, second, third, same spelling, but pronunciation is different, like read, read, read. But here is written only read. You can't know what will be pronunciation of this read. Then you have to identify only in two ways. First of all, agreement of verb with subject. See the sentence. Suppose here is Ram went to school, and if there is read, Ram read the book. Written is Ram read the book. Then how will you identify? You know the verb. This verb is always keep in plural form. But here is Ram. Ram is singular number, and read is plural number. Meaning second form of verb applied, because if will be simple present tense, so read will not be here read, that will be applied yes, meaning reads. If reads is here, then will be present tense. So you can identify easily that Ram read the book. And second recognition, that with the help of auxiliary verb, when you see the auxiliary verb of did, you can identify that this may be past indefinite tense. And now come to the past continuous tense. Continuous means work is going on, and the auxiliary verb of this tense is was and were. Was is used with singular pronoun and noun, and plus I also. I is a singular pronoun, and was is used with singular noun, and were is used for plural. And one more important thing, were is used with I when the work is in imagination, meaning you will not be that thing, but you think about that thing. Like if I were principal of school, if I were Prime Minister of India, you are not Prime Minister, but supposing yourself, then you will apply were. The simple sentence rule is subject, auxiliary verb, verb be form, and a be form mean you will add ing in main verb, meaning base form. You will, like if there is read, you will apply ing, it will be reading. So main identification of this tense is auxiliary verb and verb base form. In negative, you will apply subject, auxiliary verb not, verb be form plus object, and interrogative, auxiliary verb, subject, verb be form plus subject, and if question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject and verb be form and plus object. Here is some examples like Ram was going to school. Ram was going to school. How will you recognize that this one is past continuous tense? You will see that here is Ram was. Ram was, and auxiliary verb is was. So you can clearly say that Ram was going to school. It is past continuous tense. Ram was not going to school, this will be negative. Was Ram going to school, this will be interrogative. And where was Ram going, this will be interrogative question word. And with the help of auxiliary verb, you can recognize this one. Okay, and now we will start past perfect tense. Past perfect means work has completed. The finishing work is called past perfect tense, and here auxiliary verb is had. And this is very important for you, that this past perfect tense is used auxiliary verb with auxiliary verb in verb third form, meaning verb will be always third form, and this third form of the verb will used in voice, active voice to passive voice. So first of all, simple sentence, subject, auxiliary verb, verb third form plus object. Three matlab, this one is three matlab third form. In negative, subject, auxiliary verb not, verb third form plus object, and interrogative, auxiliary verb, subject, verb third form plus object, and question word, auxiliary verb, subject, verb third form plus object. Here is some examples like Mohan had gone to school. Identify first of auxiliary verb and second verb third form. They had not seen him. Auxiliary verb had and seen verb third form. Had you seen like this? Why had you torn the book? Torn means फाड़ देना. And you know, there is some sentences in past perfect tense which have double clause. Double clause, one is principal clause and second is subordinate clause. When the work is done first by the subject, that will be principal clause, and the work which will finish after that, that will be subordinate clause. So if there is both clause you will add with after or before. Like Mohan went to school after Sohan had seen him. you can understand whose work is completing first of all. Here, whose work is completing first of all? Mohan went to school. Firstly, Mohan went to school and then Sohan had seen him. Meaning, whose work is completing first of all? Mohan went to school. This will be principal class and Sohan had seen to him. This will be a subordinate class. Now, it is clear that principal class will be in past indefinite and subordinate class will be past perfect tense. She had reached the market before storm came. Meaning, whose work is completing here? She had reached the market. That one. This feminine gender. She has reached the market. Meaning, storm was about to come, and before that, she has reached the market. So, don't confuse any time. Simply you can identify the work which is done first of all, that is principal clause, and work that is done after the previous work, that will be subordinate clause. Now come to past perfect continuous tense. Auxiliary verb of this tenses had been, and simple rule is subject, had been, verb be form, ing, object and time. Here is one more word, time. Time, since or for. Since will be used for point of time. Point of time matlab naming thing. Naming like May, 13 May, 20 December. Yeah, since morning, since evening, time will be given clearly. So this is called point of time. But for is used period of time. Period of time matlab when a duration is given. Duration is given like hours. He is reading his book for 2 hours. He is living there for 3 years. So 3 years is a duration of time. 4 months is a duration of time. So when you will see the duration of time, there will be for. But when you will see the point of time, meaning that will indicate the real time, actual time, that you will use there since. So now negative sentence, subject had not been, verb base form, object plus time. Dear student, first of all I want to confirm one thing, that verb be form is used also in past continuous and here also past perfect continuous. But what is difference between past continuous and past perfect continuous? In past continuous there will not use of time, meaning since and form you will not see there, but in past perfect continuous you will see the since and for, and auxiliary verb will be also changed. Now interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences you will see had, subject and been. One thing I want to warn you, if two word auxiliary verb is there like had been, had one word and been second word. If there is two word, then you will use not between had and been. And in question word, had plus subject plus been. Like this you will use, that will be correct. Like here, question word, had, subject, been, verb be form, object and time, meaning since for. The use of since for is very important for you, and it is always asked in your board paper also and some little examination also. So clear it. Since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. My dear students, my dear friends, please revise it and do your exercises, and if you have any problem you can give me a message, and in next video I will explain about interchange of tenses. How will you interchange the tense from present indefinite to past continuous, past perfect to like this. But first of all I want to explain about these things, present tense and past tense. After that future tense I will explain. So dear student, please learn it, study more and more and practice more and more, and subscribe my channel also. Thank you.